Madagascar has some very beautiful crystals, polished stones, minerals. This one is black opal. You're in the right place if you love polished and even raw or unpolished natural crystals, minerals, and stones. This one is rose quartz. You can put rose quartz and an amethyst cluster in each of the north, south, east, and west directions of your home for extra protection, for enlightenment, getting more of the energies into your home, raising the vibration of pretty much everything, including yourself and your surroundings. Orbicular ocean jasper. Beautiful. These are connected to, energetically, Lemuria and Atlantis. Raise your vibration, yes. Tap into those inner recesses where your intuitive insights, the nudges, the messages and guidance that you get from your guides, and tap into your own Akashic records, the Hall of Records, the Book of Life, and learn more or get confirmation about who you are and what you came here to do. Orca agate. Do you ever feel like sometimes you really, it takes a bit to dig deep within to connect with that sense of courage? How about the willingness to forgive yourself or others? Speaking your truth, singing your, not singing as in, a vocalist. It's more about singing in ways that raise your spirit and radiate outward, project outward into the universe and the cosmos your intentions. When you speak, when you add emotion and energy to what you're doing, what you're wanting to bring in or bring more of in, orca agate, stone of courage, songs, forgiveness, and communication. Here's a smaller piece of rose quartz. Pretty, really, really pretty. This guy, oh my gosh, look at this. Isn't it amazing? Candle quartz. Have you ever put a candle in like a wine bottle or a soda pop bottle and then allowed the candle to just drip all over it? This is also known as pineapple quartz. Pineapple in Hawaii refers to being welcome. So you're welcoming in energies, welcoming in new opportunities, potential, and insights from your guides, as well as connecting with your inner higher consciousness. This beauty is also about abundance and prosperity. These guys are all from Madagascar, and this generator, look at it, with the inclusions, clear quartz, magnifies the energies of all your other crystals and your own energy. You can put this beauty in the center of a crystal grid and have some smaller points or even quite a few tumbled stones around it. Let's see if this guy will play nice. Let me switch hands. That might be easier because the sunlight is coming in from my right. All right, blue flash, labradorite. Ah, there we go. Look at that, beautiful blues, gold, and a little bit of purple in the top right. Limitless potential, manifestation. Talk about raising your vibe. This is the backside, and this is, it is the raw, meaning unpolished. And look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It does have a cut base. Let's see if we can get any sparkle down there. Not so much. Okay. This beauty, look at that. Gold, pink, reddish purple and blue flash labradorite from Madagascar. Golden Healer, stone of optimism, positive transformation, manifestation, and grounding. The color is from iron oxide, manganese, and some hematite. Red hematoid quartz. This one has lots of clear quartz or white Milky Way quartz, so it adds to its grounding, passion, abundance, and prosperity vibe. To the addition is energy purification and magnification of the other energies in this beautiful obelisk. Isn't it gorgeous? Lighter red all the way to deep, deep, dark red oranges. So this one, for your root, your crown, energy protection, clearing your spiritual path, and because it has the reddish orange, would also be for your sacral chakra, your relationship with everything that you are doing, clearing, healing, and letting go of. Celestite. This is a natural. It's not polished at all. It is from Madagascar. All of these beauties are from Madagascar. Ooh, look at that. Now it's showing its colors even more. How awesome. Sometimes they get a little temperamental in showing their colors. Your throat chakra, but this is also for your higher vibe. It's your higher throat. And you can also work with your third eye with this. It is for intuitive insights. You could help develop telepathy with this. Amazing crystals from Madagascar. Crystals, minerals, and stones. Oh, I love it the way it's showing itself off. Oh my gosh.